Hi, I'm Jay, and one of the most common questions we get from clients is, I have a GeneralAire humidifier and I can't figure out what the model number is. So that's what I'm going to talk about today. So let's start over here on this side. This one's fairly simple. It's a bypass style humidifier, and this one, it is located right over here. Okay, yours might be different. It may be on the bottom or the other side or the top, but the best course of action is to look all over the humidifier for that nameplate. This is a powered humidifier, and on this one, it's over here on this side. Again, same problem. This label has been located in various locations over the years. The most current version, it's over on this side. My favorite is this bypass style humidifier. The nameplate here is actually hiding something. So if you pop off the nameplate, what's here is a viewing window so you can look inside the humidifier filter. Also, the sticker right here for the model and serial number is located right here on the side, hiding underneath of this cover. So this one is the most difficult for people to accidentally bump into, because they would not expect to have to pry off a cover like this to get to that. But nonetheless, that's where it's hiding. So here it is. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.